I work with editors all over. My team uses different programs. The most popular one is going to be Adobe Premiere. That's what most of my team uses, and what I like about it, because we're working on projects with 24-hour turnaround times, and we got the footage that day. It might take my team literally like 18 hours to do that project. And how can I have one editor work 18 hours straight? That's impossible, and it's just not going to be good quality work. So what's great about Premiere is that I can have somebody work on a project for 5 to 8 hours. They can log off, and the project is all saved in the cloud. The footage is there. Everything is linked, and then the other editor can just log in, download, and it's seamless. That's a great product that works for us. Final Cut's great. I have editors that work on Final Cut. There's another one called DaVinci Resolve. I believe that's free. Great product, fun to use. Avid's a good one. My kids love CapCut. The CapCut's like pretty cool. I use that for like my phone, for like mobile. Like if I'm out with my family, my wife, and we like go somewhere, we're like filming a bunch of stuff, CapCut. Although it is an editor, it's also like, we could talk about AI and whatnot, but it's kind of an AI editor, right? Because you just throw all these like things in there, you're gonna get like something that probably look really cool for travel. I don't know how the AI would work as far as like a marketing video, but people are sort of, there's parallels with everything.